Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to create group in Snapchat. Go to the Snapchat app from your apps list. Tap on the message icon from the bottom left corner. Tap on the plus symbol from the top right corner. Now select those person with whom you want to create a group. After that, tap on Chat. In the message box, write something. Tap on the Send button from the bottom right corner. Now enter a name for the group. Tap on the right symbol from the bottom right corner. This is your newly created group and this is your group name. These are the members of this group. So that is how you can create a group in Snapchat. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.